In a hidden lab, researchers translate living designs into future gear, tracing each breakthrough to a wild, nature-forged blueprint. The kingfisher beak taught a bullet train how to slice air and silence noise by cutting drag. Shark skin textures spawn antibacterial hospital surfaces, keeping microbes away while letting fluids flow cleanly over curved microgrooves. Burdock burrs inspired Velcro, a simple hook-and loop that clings then releases with calm, repeated motion. Gecko feet and lotus effects lead to reusable adhesives and self-cleaning coatings, shaping resilient, sustainable architecture worldwide.